Hello traders, today is 31st January, Friday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best forward trade analysis. Just to let you know, today was the last trading day of the month and the last trading day of the week. Right, so just to recap, these are the intraday analysis with the live RD squawk support. As you can see, on the left hand side is the analysis, and the right side is the trade taken based on this analysis. We had such a beautiful triangle pattern perform last night, as you can see, and we took this long trade here, and then we explained to take every pullback as long as the momentum is bullish. We took a long trade and three beautiful long trades, and we also had it another analysis this morning. We took another long trade here. So beautiful long trade on pound yen today. Yeah, that's the analysis I just mentioned in London morning session. We also announced we have another triangle pattern is performed consolidation as always based in the momentum. We had a beautiful breakout long trade and price nicely hit to over final target. Right, pound dollar again. You can see this is a pretty standard straightforward, as you can see here. A triangle pattern breakout, beautiful long trade on pound dollar. Euro pound, pretty straightforward. This we had this analysis last night, and we mentioned if we see the pullback, we were analyzing in 4 hour. Based on that, we said, guys, look for the short, and we took a short trade here, and we added another short trade here as a scaling trade. And as I mentioned, first target hit, second target, final target would be the green fib channel, and price nicely hit to the final target. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. As you can see, this was the downside channel breakout, and we announced the rest of the trade as the price progressed based on the momentum. And you can see beautiful three long trades on pound Swiss franc. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward. This was the consolidation breakout, beautiful short trade. Aussie dollar, and this was a pretty straightforward triangle pattern performed. I know a couple of members that were asking, looking for long Aussie dollar. As I always mention to traders, don't trade what you think, trade what you see it. Here we can see triangle pattern breakout, beautiful short trade. Pound yen, we had it, reversal, as we mentioned in 4 hour about this reversal, and I can see price develop another triangle pattern. As you can see, beautiful, another a few more pips on pound yen trade based on the momentum. Euro yen, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. Momentum was bullish, price was about 200 EMA, beautiful pullback. Even you can see this was the triangle pattern breakout, beautiful long trade on euro yen long. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. You can see here, and price nicely respected this blue fib channel and broke on this almost triangle, but we mainly call a wedge breakout, and the safest trade would be the breakout of this resistance. And beautiful long trade on pound dollar. Okay, so we had it another pound Swiss franc, beautiful short trade based on the analysis. And then euro USD, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. This morning we're expecting a pullback long, and as always mentioned, if the momentum stay bullish, we start keep looking all the breakouts and the pullbacks. You can see we had one pullback, then we have one breakout, and this breakout we mentioned through live audio commentary. Then we had it another breakout, price nicely broken, and as soon as the price hit to the final target, we mentioned to bank some profit, and we defined this final target based on the 4 hour. So this was a beautiful breakout long trade on euro USD. All right, so dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. We have a strong bearish momentum as mentioned on the analysis. Any pullback will consider a potential short trade. As you can see, beautiful pullback short trade. Pound, dollar, yen. Pretty straightforward. As you can see, this was the breakout short trade, and price hit first target. And we stayed that trade as long as the price hit to the final target. Beautiful short trade. Pound, yen. Again, this was the pretty straightforward breakout long trade. Pound, Swiss franc. We had another very small long trade on pound, Swiss franc. And this one, euro pound, pretty straightforward triangle pattern breakout, very small short trade. As soon as the price about to hit to the final target, we mentioned it's time to consider tightening your stop loss. Okay, so we had this trade in the morning, banked some pips, and then we did analysis at the New York session. You can see, as you can see, the price nicely broken, even this one. And as mentioned, we have another channel background. So we mentioned the safest trade would be if the price develop at this level, as we announced through live audio commentary, and we announced look for the pullback because we see very strong bullish momentum and the trend. And we took a long trade and we announced a little pullback long trade as soon as the price hit to the fifth channel, and which was also 132,000 area. We mentioned very strong resistance. It's time to bank some profit. So we had last trade, we just banked few pips on pound dollar. All right, guys, that's it. If you would like to see all these trades in real time with the live audio commentary support, feel free to join our fast growing trader community. And you will find that information somewhere on this video description, how to join. Once again, thank you for watching this video and have a nice weekend. And I'll see you on Monday with another analysis. Bye bye.